What up, ladies and gentlemen? Since you're watching this, I assume you've probably heard of electrolysis before. Regardless, I made this super cute animation just for you, so I think you should check it out. Anyway, in practice, electrolysis looks something like this.
Two electrodes are surrounded by a liquid. The liquid is filled with free ions. A direct electric current is introduced, and then you stir into this.
Yeah, we can do better. Let's make this into this.
Okay, let's see how this beast works. So basically I built a hydroxy generator which produces a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen in a ratio of 2:1. And in this ratio the mixture has the highest combustion efficiency, so essentially it does a pretty loud bang. It's also used for welding and it can support a car engine. Now as for the generator itself, it consists of a bunch of stainless steel plates divided into two sets of 4. First set makes the anode, the other one is the cathode. To avoid the contact and subsequent sparking, I use these self-adhesive black foam chair leg pad protectors. You get the idea. The whole thing is properly sealed and airtight. We also need a bubbler which is filled with water, and if something goes wrong and the output gas accidentally ignites, water level stops the flash from getting into the generator.
Since we are splitting water, we don't want any halide ions floating in there. And we want to produce oxygen. But our plates are only stainless steel. Yep, we need a hydroxide.
I'm using just a few grams of potassium hydroxide. I don't want the electrolyte to be superconductive. According to Ohm's law, less resistance means more current, and too much current leads to overheating. Speaking of current, I am using this car battery that can deliver up to like 100 amps, which is more than sufficient. So now I just close the circuit and here we go. And finally, here is the test. Now that has some juice in it. Keep in mind, hydroxy gas is extremely powerful and sensitive to any source of heat.
It must be handled with extreme caution, as even static electricity can set it off. An explosion can cause severe burns, injuries, and one can go deaf.
Alright guys, so that's it for today. I hope you learned something new. If you did, go down there, leave a like, watch that animation. See you then. Poof!